Welcome back to Bakes Foods. In this episode, we are making a homemade stuffing from scratch with sausage. This is actually a bonus video. It's a side we made with our pork tenderloin, bacon wrapped pork tenderloin video. Be sure to check that out. I'll link it up above. Like and subscribe if you are not subscribed to the channel. Give us a comment and let us know what you think. Enjoy. A recipe I like to do, it's a good way to get rid of old, stale, still good bread, but I've just got some hot dog buns, hamburger buns from a barbecue I did earlier this week. And so what I did was I just took the rest of them, because I'm not going to use them up, and I just broke them up into little pieces. Here. Just like that, easy. Small pieces, doesn't have to be perfect. And what this is going to be is a homemade stuffing. I'm going to do pork sausage, some chorizo flavored, some jalapeno, celery, onion, and some green onion. The jalapeno, just going to chop it up, cut it in half. I'm just going to pull these seeds out here. Just going to dice it here. So we're just going to add our jalapenos in here. Perfect. Going to add our celery. Then we'll add our onion. You just brown your sausage up here. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some garlic powder. Generous amount. We're going to add some pepper. Don't skimp on either of them. We're going to go ahead and do some more Lawry's seasoned salt. And then I'm going to add some chicken stock. And the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add our cooked browned sausage. Again, I'm using a chorizo sausage. So once you got that, all your ingredients in there, you're just going to want to mix that up. Okay, and then we're going to add another half cup of chicken stock. We don't want it to be soggy, but we want it to be plenty of moist. A lot of the moisture will cook out of it here too. So do not skimp. I think a total of, we did about 2.5 cups. And then just to give it a little bit more depth, I'm going to go ahead and add like a 1/4 cup of cheese. Mostly just because I had it in the fridge and I needed to get rid of it. So we'll mix that up. Our bread's just a little soggy, but still has some constitution. I want to mix it around. Oh yes, perfect. And of course, our little garnishing touch here. Parsley or Italian seasoning. Voila. Now we'll just add our foil over the top here. And we'll go ahead and put that in our preheated oven at 350 for about 45 minutes to an hour. We've been cooking for about 45 minutes here. And there is our stuffing. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this back in the oven and cook it for another 15 to 20 minutes just to crisp this up here. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. Let's try this homemade stuffing here. What a good use for leftover bread that you're not going to use anymore. In that, you can use regular sausage. I used chorizo sausage, which just kind of gives it that little bit of spicy kick. So good. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Tune in for more videos, great recipes, and till the next one, Bakes out. Bendy spoon,